Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll see few cases around date formats. So let's get started. So here is a sample data of different dates. Since in Excel the default date format is MMDDYYYY as shown in the D1 cell, if you'll see in filters, some are in the correct date format. However, some are still in a text format. So to change this, we'll select the entire data. We'll delimit it and press Alt DEE and we'll select delimited. We click on next. We'll just click on the tab here. We'll again click on next and we'll choose the format we need, which is date, and we can also select it from the drop down here. For example, I need the first one, month, date and year. I'll click on this and I'll click on finish. You'll now see in the filters that all have been corrected. But since our requirement is we need the data in date-month format, we'll again select the entire data. We'll click on Control 1 and we'll select in the date category. The format here is 14th March, which is date and month, and we'll click on OK. So now our data has been sorted in the format that we need. Let's see another example for date formats. In the previous example, we see that the data provided was in the default Excel format, which is month, then the date, and then the year. However, if we know that the data provided is in a different format, which is first the date, then the month, and then the year, the previous steps won't work. If you'll see in the filters, these all are in the incorrect date format. So to resolve that, we'll add 3 columns and we'll delimit our data with the delimiter slash. For that, we'll select our data and we'll press on Alt DEE. Now we'll click on next and we'll mark slash in the other section and then again click on next and choose a destination to be one next column, that is E. And now I'll finish it and click on OK. I'll change the format to general. So now we have the date with us, month, and the year. Now we'll use the formula date. We'll select the year first as prompted, then the month, then the date. So we'll drag it to the last row. We'll copy paste our data. So if you'll apply the filters now, we'll have the correct dates in the filters. Since we need the data in date-month format, we'll again select our data and we'll press Control 1 and we'll change it to 14th March, date and month. And then click on OK. So now we have the data as needed.